we're going to talk about threads today.
Okay.
Fun.
Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Kleber. I am Medical Director at Ozone Medical and Ozone Clinics. This is Jennifer Dillon. She's the founder of Ozone Clinics, and we are going to talk about PDO threads today. In our aesthetics suite, our aesthetics division, we have proprietary PDO thread protocols. So let's talk about PDO threads. What are they? They've been around for a long time, actually, and I have been an instructor and using PDO threads in my practice for about 9 years. The quality of the PDO thread is extremely important to understand. So if you're going to seek out a practitioner that does PDO threads, make sure they use an FDA cleared PDO threads. All the threads we use at Ozone Medical are FDA cleared. Very important to understand. So how do threads work? The actual thread is actually derived from sugar. It's non-toxic, very safe, and it dissolves over a period of time. About 6 months, 80% of the thread that is placed by the practitioner is dissolved. So they're very forgiving. PDO thread is placed with a device, whether it be a needle or a cannula, and it's placed in a certain vector, and that's where your practitioner with experience really comes in. They have to know how to place the vector so they can lift an area of the face, and that's what PDO threads are designed to do. The ones we're going to talk about are barb threads. Barb threads are designed to actually attach to the skin of several layers down to subcutaneous tissue. So let's look at some of the applications that PDO threads can be very effective. One is we can do brow lifts. That means over time with aging, the brow begins to sag a little bit and move a little south and make the eye look heavier. We can lift that heaviness off the eye with barb threads. Another area that is an area of expertise of mine is doing a non-surgical rhinoplasty. Or the last area that we use threads is a lower face look, and probably 90% of patients that seek out threads as an aesthetics procedure to improve their look is the lower jowl or the lower face with jowling, and the neck where we have that turkey neck that everybody talks about when they get into a certain age. Threads are very effective in lifting that heaviness from the lower face and making creating a more youthful look. So one of the most important questions that should be asked by the consumer is how long do threads last? And that depends on the quality of the skin, the age of the patient, even their overall health. If they're inflamed and they have some toxic things going on, you're not going to heal as well. So actually we address those issues when the patient comes in for an aesthetics procedure. That's what makes our place so special. So they'll last anywhere from 12 to 18 months. Remember, I mentioned that the threads will slowly dissolve over a 6-month period. During that time, the threads are actually creating collagen in little tendrils, 90 degrees off that thread. So you're actually getting rejuvenation of collagen to a more youthful level. And that's like the second bonus we get. The first is the physical lifting, but the second is we get collagen stimulation.